Good day, Mr. Emmanuel. My name is Jemilat Yakubu. I'm from Kwara State, Nigeria. And what I learned in the 2-day free web training, though I couldn't attend the second one because of some personal reasons, yes, I wasn't even happy when I missed the class, but I attended the first one. So, in the first class, I learned about a client and a server, and what I learned about the client is any device that asks for a web page, whether your phone or your laptop or any of your system. The client sends a request. When you type a website, it will bring out URL like www.google.com. That's just a client. Yes, and I learned also about a server. A server is just like a big computer that stores websites. The server actually receives information requests and sends back the web page. You receive information like when you type www.com, then the result is the server that is giving out the result to the client. So it's just like a client asking a question. You even made an example of maybe going to a restaurant. You go to a restaurant, you ask about the food, the waiter will bring the food, the process is something of that nature. Yes, just the perfect example from it. Also learned about the HTTP and the secure version. HTTP is a set of rules that web browsers and servers use to communicate and transfer data on the internet. They are just set of rules, protocols that the browser and server use to communicate with each other and transfer their information over the internet. And the HTTPS is the secured version of HTTP. It protects sensitive information like passwords, payments, etc. I also learned the IP address. And that's about the IP address also. The IP address is just like it's a unique number that identifies a device or website on the internet. You even made an example of our house address. Yes, because if there is no house address, how am I going to locate my friend's house? Because there are plenty of houses. So it is the house address, the numbers that will make me to able to locate a particular person's house. So an IP address is just like for example, now Google have, Facebook have. For Google, it could be in form of numbers or words. Even Facebook 142.250.74.46. Also for Facebook, without it, computer cannot know how to find a website. So an IP address is very, very, very important. And I also learned about a domain name. Domain name make IP address human friendly. Instead of numbers, you type www.google.com. That is it's just like HTTP and HTTPS. When we have that IP address, we also have a domain name. And I also learned about HTML. It describes the structure of a web page. It tells us how the web page is, how it functions, how just the structure, how it's built, everything about the web page. And this is what I learned so far. Thank you very much. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you. Bye.